Hey everyone, my name's Will, and you're watching Gizmo's Quick Tips. Don't forget to check out our channel for more tech help. When you want to copy text from a document, on your Windows computer keyboard, press Ctrl-C. Afterwards, if you want to paste that same text into a different Word document, you will need to press Ctrl and the V key. Also, if you want to cut text from your document, you can do that by pressing Ctrl-X. This is also an alternative that will copy the text that you cut onto your clipboard for you to paste later. Finally, if you need to undo any of these actions we've talked about today, you can do so by pressing Ctrl and the Z key, and that will undo your last action you performed. Hope you all enjoyed that quick tech tip. Don't forget to like the video below and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. Be sure to post any tech questions you have in the comments below. Also, check us out at www.neighborhoodnerds.com or on our Facebook and Twitter in the description. See you guys next time.